Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so if you want to build a website for yourself, the first thing you need to have is a domain and hosting account. Okay, so the first thing is to get a domain, then the second is to get an hosting account. Without those two, you cannot have a website. So in this video, I'm going to clearly show you how to get a domain and hosting account, and I'll also show you how you can get it for a cheaper price. Okay, and the domain will be free while you pay a lower amount for the hosting. So I'm going to paste this link. I'll be dropping the link under the description of this video. You can go down to the description of this video and copy the link. Okay, if you are using this link, it's going to give you a discount. Okay, there will be a discount for using this link. You can see summer sales up to 80% off, claim due. All right, so here now, once you paste the link, so here now you scroll down to premium. Okay, you can use this premium service instead of the unlimited. You can see under the premium service you can even have up to 3 websites. Okay, the premium service, you can have up to 3 websites. Then you can also have a free 1 year domain, then you have 20 gig storage, then also free weekly backup, and so on and so forth. So if you are a startup, if your business is a startup business, you can go with this premium plan. Okay, so but if you are trying to build a big business, you can go for the unlimited, which have a unlimited website. Okay, but for a start, I will choose this premium plan. So here you click on choose plan. Okay, so here now you can see the plan. You can change it to 12 months. 12 months is okay. If you are using 1 month, you are not going to get the free domain. Okay, so it is advisable to use 12 months. Okay, so 12 months is equals to $41. Now, instead of you, if you look at the total amount here, you see it's $160. Now, instead of you paying the $160, because you are using the link under my description, you will be getting a $41 a discount, which the total is $41.17. Okay, so that is it. You see, they say summer sale, choose 48 months and save more. Okay, if you have the financial capacity to go for the 48 months, you can also choose 48 months. 48 months is going to give total of $123 instead of $500 plus. Okay, so but for the sake of this video, I will choose 12 months. Then here you say secure your domain. Choose .com, .net, .org, .shop, .xyz, .blog, .tech, .site, and more, free for 1 year. So you will be getting a domain free for just 1 year. After that 1 year, you then will be paying. If you are using .com, you might be paying just like $11. Okay, so here now we are going to choose search for a domain. Okay, remember, you have to do a domain search first to be sure nobody have used the name that you want to use. So I will just say I'll just type anything. Okay, this is just a training video, right? I'm not really purchasing, or I don't need the domain for anything. I already have a lot of domain for myself. Okay, let me now say web tools what should I add to it? Well, web tools training.com. Now you can see the domain is available. All right, so and it's clearly stated here that it is free. So I'm going to choose it. I'll click on it to choose it. So here, okay, here it's showing $62. Why? Because it's on 2 years, so I can change it to 1 year. Okay, so you see the 1 year is free and it comes with $0. Okay, so the next year I'll be paying $19 to renew for the next year. Okay, so I think that is all. That's all. So here now, just click on the total is $41. I'll just click on continue. Okay, it's going to take me to a place where I'm going to register. Okay, so here now I can register with my Gmail, and I'll select my email. Then I'll click on continue. So here is going to direct me to the cart where I'm going to make my payment. Okay, like I said before, I said I don't really need this. I'm just doing this video for the sake of this training, just to teach you how to get a domain and hosting account for your website. So it is advisable you get the domain and hosting account for yourself. So then you now give your login details or your cPanel to a developer, or somebody that you want to develop the website for you, or if you are developing it yourself. Okay, so you can use this Hostinger account to create a website for yourself. Remember, I said I'll be dropping the link on the description. Okay, so here now you see they say put your card. Here now you enter the name of your card. You enter the name of your card here. Okay, this is not a name, rather I'm just doing this example. So here you type your card details. So, and here you put the date and the month, then the CVC, then you submit payment. Okay, so that's all. So if you have a PayPal account, you can also use PayPal. If you select this PayPal, you can also use this PayPal to pay. If you have Google Pay, and amazing, they have OPay. Okay, so you can also use OPay. You can use Alipay from China, Alipay from Hong Kong, and you can use this CoinGate if you are trying to pay with crypto. If you want to pay with crypto, you can use this CoinGate. All right, so that is the way to get a domain and hosting account. Okay, so after you successfully make payments, you are going to be redirected to an hPanel. Okay, with Hostinger they used to give hPanel. Okay, other platform gives cPanel. Okay, but for Hostinger you'll be getting hPanel. It's also cool. You can from there you can see your domains here. Then from here, websites, when you get to your hPanel, once you click the website button, it will take you to where you add. From here now you click on add website. So from here you can upload. When you click on add website, you see it will ask you, do you want to use a WordPress site? If it is WordPress, you click WordPress. And if you want to upload a script, either a PHP script or an HTML template, you can from here do your uploads. Once you click here, it will direct you to a file manager where you can upload your website. If you need help in getting a domain and hosting account, or you need help in building your website from scratch to finish, any kind of website, you can contact the number on the description. Thank you. Okay, to get more videos like this, kindly subscribe. Thank you.